Hey, this is a rental property. Tore the carpet off the steps. I got some black paint and I sprayed the backs. I said I was gonna put some strips across, but things are getting really expensive, and this is a rental property, like I said. They just look rough, but I think I'm just gonna paint the whole thing black with semi-gloss. I already started up here at the top, and it's looking good so far. The full black steps, cleaning them up a little bit, and then I'll just touch the sides with the white to make it look more sharper. But yeah, I'm gonna work with the black steps, because just to carpet these 13 stairs, it's gonna cost me like $600, because they charge by the tread. So the can of paint here that I got, I'm using semi-gloss Rust-Oleum brand. That was $16, and I'll be able to paint these 13 treads for under 20 bucks. Freshen them up so they don't look too bad. Like I'm saying, it's a rental property. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's a cheap alternative, because people are just gonna beat this up anyways. And then in the near future, or if I decide to sell this property, then I could put nice fresh carpet on the steps and sell the pace, and people have nice fresh carpet. But for now, it looks presentable. It looks passable. All right, guys, as you can see, got the black paint on there. Just need to touch up the sides with the white paint. This is not gonna be for everybody. This not, if you're trying to be frugal or trying to save some money, and it depends on the type of rental you have, if it's making a lot of money or not. In this area, rentals are not making a lot of money, so you can't really put out a lot on your properties, because you're not gonna make that much profit, and you'll still get this property rented for what the market, is offering. So, just think about it. It's not gonna be for everybody, so don't be bashing me in the comments. This can work. Clean up the sides with some fresh white semi-gloss paint, and you get a couple of years out of this and you're good to go. So let me know what you guys think for a affordable way to go about getting your steps cleaned up so you could get a renter in. Leave some comments, like, share, and see you in the next one. Peace.